How's it going, guys? This video is all about bubbles.
It's all about the bubble. Day 96 of the quarantine or whatever.
96?
I'm not even sure.
Yeah. So anyway, I'll take it. This is the 1978 G10 van project, and Scott and I have been working on the making some bubble tail lights, bubble side marker lights, front and rear.
Of course, we had to bubble the license plate cover.
Yes.
This one came out good. Hard to see.
It is
Just
hard
how high
to see,
it is.
you know, in a camera.
Good.
I did take
inch and a half or so.
a picture of it. Now, this all spawned from a crazy idea of mine to recreate the Maltese Cross bubble window. That is like finding a unicorn. And so I had a buddy of mine cut out these frames.
Water jet?
With a water jet, and I welded on bungs on the inside. This is for
all that's
viewing,
in the other video, so.
For viewing pleasure.
Yep.
I have this, we have this just laying on here. It's got both plates and everything, just so you can see how it looks. It's not installed yet. But anyway, let's go down to the side marker lights. I think they came out really cool. They're bubbled as well.
A little hard to do. The smaller the bubble, the harder it is to do.
And what we're gonna do is for the backing plate is we're gonna take apart the stock lighting so we can put the bulbs in there. Let's take this off. And you can see that.
Yep.
I think it looks pretty cool.
Yeah. So
we may market these. Who knows? Let us know and drop comments on the on our YouTube video channel, and certainly. If you like it, hit the like button and subscribe. We have a bunch of other videos coming up, and we have a couple other ones explaining how we actually did the bubbles. So
yeah, we might do the headlight covers. We got to get that 71 grill on there.
Yep. So anyway, thanks for checking this out, and keep on trucking.
Yeah, hit that subscribe button. We won't tell anybody.
Yeah, hit that too. Thanks, guys.